Let's divide 118 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome math adventures with Let's Stud. Alright, let's start dividing 118 by 2. We look at the first digit of 118, which is 1. We'll use this lonely one for now. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't, so we write down a 0. 0 times 2 is 0, we're just checking our work. 1 minus 0 is 1, we've got a remainder to work with. You're doing great, we're on our way to the answer. Now let's bring down the next digit to make a bigger number. Now we have 11, look at this big number. We bring down the next digit 1 to join the remainder 1, making 11. How many times does 2 fit into 11? Let's count by 2's, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, that's 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10, see, it's super close to 11. 11 minus 10 is 1, we found the remainder for this step. Awesome work, you're getting closer and closer to the final answer. Let's bring down the last digit and see what we get. Last step, we have 18, this is it. We bring down the 8 to join the remainder 1, forming 18. We've used all the digits. How many times does 2 fit into 18? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Perfect fit, no leftovers. 18 minus 18 is 0. Our remainder is 0. We did it. You absolutely crushed it. High five. We've divided 118 by 2. The answer is 59. So 118 divided by 2 equals 59 with no remainder. Great job, everyone. We've successfully divided 118 by 2 step by step. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're all doing fantastic. That's all for this video. Keep practicing and check out Let's Stud for more fun math challenges.